out on a boat. Cold front came through. It rained super hard the last couple of days. Out with my buddy Mike. Say what's up, Mike.
Yo, what's going on?
Hopefully we can figure them out today. We're hoping to either tight the cover, like, you know, a little bit deeper where we can figure them out without a serious graph. We just got a little fishing buddies, so out in the rowboat today. So let's get into them. That's a money little lure, dude. It really, I mean, it's just classic, you know?
It's classic.
I guess I should throw this thing right up on shore, right?
I wonder if they would have a law against coming for they're cold, I guess. They get lethargic, right?
Yeah. It's like if it's like a big water temp change too, but it's like 60 degrees almost still.
Yeah. What do you think it was before this rain? Do you think it cooled things off?
Like 65, something like that, probably.
Be a little shock. It's pretty cool, man.
I'm super lucky with my freaking kids, dude.
Yeah.
That's like, I say I used up all my luck with my kids and my wife.
That'll cause a disturbance. Homogeneous. It wants salt to be dissolved evenly throughout it. So like the side with this, the distilled water side will actually, when he's 15.
Well, it's kind of like a water wheel. Yeah. To a degree where it's like, it's happening, so why don't you use the energy that's already happening?
Exactly, even though it's not like super amounts of energy, if you use that like and charge your batteries, it's way more efficient than solar power.
Oh, do I got one?
You got one.
I got one. Stay on, stay on. Come on, stay on. What do we got here?
Is it pretty good size?
It feels pretty heavy, dude. Honestly.
Maybe it's
it might not be a bass. It's probably a smallmouth. It's got to be a good smallmouth because it's staying low.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe a pickerel? You ever catch them?
Pickerel would be in already, I think.
Yeah.
This thing's dogging me, dude. Unless I'm like snagged on a carp or something. No, I feel head shakes. What do we got? You're gonna have to net this thing, dude, because this is light pound test.
Oh man. A big largemouth.
Dude, it's a huge largemouth.
That's huge. What? Yo. Dude, that's a monster.
Dude. What up?
Yeah.
Hell yeah,
scale?
Dude. Yeah, dude. I'll weigh it real quick. Fresh grass.
Oh.
Find the grass.
That's what they need.
You find the freaking largemouth, dude.
Throw them here if you want them.
Oh yeah, you got a little freaking board.
Yeah.
See how long you are, buddy. He's got a big head.
Yeah.
So he's not going to be that long. Yeah, 0. Yeah, he's like just under 18.
Yeah.
Let's see here. What do you think it is? I bet you it's like
3.5.
I bet you it's just 3. I think it looks fatter than it is because I'm holding it. Come on, do a hold. And we'll call it 312. It's bouncing back and forth.
Oh man.
312, baby.
Wow.
Woo! Skunks out of the boat. I never get anyone to take a picture of me because I'm usually by myself in a kayak.
Yeah, yeah. Nice catch.
It's a great freaking fight too.
Wow.
He thinks he's still hooked. There we go. You see him shaking his head, getting all pissed off.
What's that?
I'm trying to get fully homogenized with the fish. You know what I mean?
Ah, that's right. That's right. Yo, it turned out like in Finland, they made a power plant with that technology.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was onto something. It kind of made me feel good.
But the Hero 9 just freaking, the video quality is unbelievable. Ooh. Was that a bite? I felt like I just got like a bonk. Yep, it was a bite.
It was.
By no means do I feel like we put a pattern together, and yet I caught one. I could have just put that thing right in that thing's face, and it was like, nope. You know, the one I caught, I might have just gulped it.
Landed right
And that's what we do, you know, like.
It's not what we do. It's who we are.
Just like, bah, rip it off. We had like, dude, we were like making necklaces out of it. For what reason?
Yo, what was wrong?
Mine's I have like a 10 amp hour lithium.
Yeah.
It'll last me like 3 trips for my fish finder. Like 8-9 hour days on the water.
It's a built-in battery.
Oh. I think that was a fish. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good bite too, I think. It felt like it. Yeah, it ripped the whole freaking... It probably just didn't have it good. There's gotta be a fish. Oh yeah, aluminum, like thin aluminum if they'd have it or not. Yeah, and then they had that one gap too with the busted cinder blocks and the round rail.
Yeah.
Parking lot down to the other parking lot. I ollied it, but I never kick flipped it. I could have. I caught it a million times and just kicked it away like an idiot.
Got one.
Nice. Oh, is that a pickerel?
Yeah. Ah, he's a good one.
It's not a bad one. Gloves, dude. Let me see that thing.
You got some?
You don't need gloves. Here, take this.
Serious?
Let's freaking grab these stupid motherfuckers.
They're slimy. They got pretty good teeth on them. I got some.
Just put your finger up where you know there's no teeth.
Yeah.
Hold them. I have pliers right.
Oh yeah, under the gill then.
Yeah. See, see where my finger is?
Yeah.
Right before the teeth. So even if he bites down on me or whatever, it's not gonna like.
Yeah.
Get me. You wanna hold him or anything?
Nah.
All right.
if he was bigger, I might.
Later, bud.
That was fun. Yeah.
There he goes.
Finally got one.
Nice, man. Oh, we got a fish in the boat.
He did what you.
Their turn on.
Was talking about it. I saw him, and I'm like, oh, I got one, and I let him like
stop for a second, and then he hits it real hard.
Yeah.
And then count to 10 again. Reel my slack in. 10, 9, 8, and just.
Got one.
Nice, dude.
I think I got one. Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah, you definitely. It's swimming away with it.
I think it's a bass.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a bass.
He's fighting.
No, it's a bass.
That's a good one.
You need the net then?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh,
it's another pickerel. It's like the same one. You gonna flip him in? You got the braid, right?
Oh
no!
Oh no! Oh, that's the only time one's ever taken a lure.
Damn. I had the net too. I should have just netted him. That's my bad. That's my bad.
And he was like, "Don't swim on me." Oh my goodness.
He flipped the other one, so I was like, "Oh, he'll probably just flip this one too, because he's got braid."
Yeah.
My bad, dude.
No.
All right, I just deleted my last fish catch, so we're gonna try to get one more before we call it a day. I cannot believe I caught second fish and deleted the footage. Now we're running out of gas, so I can't even push it and try to catch another one. My bad. It's funny because I'm casting like to where I think I launched in the early summer there when we fished here. That's it. One day in the water, catching up with an old friend. Caught 2 myself. Oh, Jesus, I almost fell in. I caught 1, almost basically 2. Good to get out here, or it's too cold, but still a nice day on the water. Absolutely beautiful this time of year out here. If you're still sticking around to this point, I really appreciate you watching. Catch you guys in the next one.